I would say people from international backgrounds bring those different expressions and different ways of thinking that are really essential for organizations here. It also minimizes like I think it just makes organizations stronger and able to really understand themselves and what they're doing and how to be better.
International students are resourceful because we could have stayed at home. It's easy to remain on your comfort zone, but we decided that we wanted more. We wanted challenges. So you know that you're getting someone who loves to be challenged, who will go for more, who will not stay and be okay with the easy path, that will ask questions. And this means improvement for our organization.
Everyone that left all your roots, your family, your friends in your home country and decided to leave it all behind to begin life again, like regardless of anything, of the circumstances, you have to have a big motivation to do that. And I think that gives you a big drive to work, to accomplish, to do things, to learn, to apply your learnings and show your skills, right? To show that you can do that job very well and you will do the best you can.
It's always good to increase diversity, and just having someone from a different background have a say or have a seat on the table would always be very valuable. And I think international students can bring that.
When I saw the advertisement saying that it's a friendly and learning environment, so I thought, why not? I mean, the topic matches with me, and they're saying good things about the employees. I mean, that meant a lot to me, because I didn't see any advertisement saying good things about employees. They're saying, okay, we have team environment, we have expert supervisors and all, but all our team members are good or excellent. I haven't seen this kind of statements in advertisement ever. Just that was the first one, and I applied that one right away.
The sense of openness that it was written in. So I'll give you a few examples. One was the equity, diversity, inclusion focus and non-discrimination statement that was really valuable for me, coming from an international background with an intersectional identity as a woman and a person of color. That was important to me. There was literally a section called Draw on Your Strengths, right? And it was just a few sentences saying, whilst the core responsibilities of this role are fixed, we want students that can bring their lived experiences and shape their position through their strengths. So that whole idea of, being able to job craft mutually, like not just from a student perspective, but also from an employer perspective, for me, was a great way to ensure that the core responsibilities are met, but also allowing that room for personal development growth and personal growth as well.
I think the first step that should be taken is to really make it clear that there isn't a double standard, to really make it clear that the process is fair and that they are having an equitable hiring process, so that they're not discriminating based on your status or where you're from or even your ethnicity or all of the things, and that they're looking at you and your experience and your qualifications and what you can bring to the position and to the organization. I think that's essential. And beyond that, it's also being knowledgeable about the immigration system and what the people they're hiring are going through is really important.
The issue is not necessarily in attracting international students. The fact is, we are here. We are looking for jobs. The issue lies in recruitment, and this means while many organizations claim to be inclusive, they are plain and simple not delivering when it comes to walk the talk. And when you look at international students' resumes, you don't look merely at their Canadian credentials, you're looking at their overall experience. And odds are that most of their experience will come from a different country, a different context. This does not mean that this experience lived, academic and professional, are not transferable, because they are. But are employers able to look through the differences in order to find talent? Are they willing to surpass so-called exotic names like mine and look at our resumes the same way they would do with an English-sounding name, if an English-sounding name came by?
I want them to be forgiving to my mistakes and appreciate my qualities. I mean, because I'm a beginner, so there will be few mistakes down the road. So that's very important to me. Like, they understand that I'm a beginner in Canada, so they treat me that way, they train me properly, and they give me a warm environment, a nurturing environment, so I can grow in that company.
I think it's also about saying, yes, let's try someone different. Let's not try someone that we've had over and over and over in all our past years, but let's look for someone different. Maybe they will offer a different result. They will have a different idea that your team never thought of, but they would.
Employers should look for industries that are doing really well by hiring people from all over the world. They are the ones who are growing more, who are innovating more. And this is because they are accepting, they're open, and there's a lot of advantage in that.